Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You have the video and subtitle file ready. Start by verifying formats and placement. First, put the subtitle file in the same folder as the movie and rename it to match the movie file name exactly so most players auto-load it. Next, confirm the subtitle is encoded in UTF-8 to avoid garbled characters. If not, open it in a text editor and save as UTF-8. Finally, note the movie container, MP4 versus MKV, because later tools handle them differently. Once the files are matched, load the subtitle into an editor so you can see and adjust per line timing. Play the movie while scrubbing to a problem spot, then shift subtitles by milliseconds or frames. Use FPS info to calculate exact offsets. If lines drift over the runtime, apply a rate change or stretch, not just a single shift. Make a decision. Keep subtitles as a separate track, soft sub, for flexibility, or choose to hardcode them if compatibility is required. Now embed or burn the subtitles into the movie. Use MKV tool Nix to add a soft subtitle track to MKV, or run FFmpeg to hardcode if needed for strict devices. After muxing, test the file on your target players and phones to verify timing, style, and readability under different resolutions. Once satisfied, export a final copy and archive originals. Troubleshooting tip: if timing still drifts, reopen the subtitle in your editor and use a 2-point stretch or recalculate based on actual FPS. Then remux.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.